The jitters around AI of late have been around an AI bubble and demand concern, but ultimately, these are supply-side issues, constraints for CoreWeave, maybe cash constraints for SoftBank and needing to sell off Nvidia.
Yeah, it's really interesting how this has shifted really from the dip buying that we saw yesterday that drove Nvidia up. CoreWeave, I think, was also up before the bell, before it reported its results, and now we're seeing really any concern on either side, AI bubble or supply here, is really weighing on these shares. I think as the AI theme just continues to get stretched, investors are nervous and they're really ready to sell at kind of any moment. This especially coming before Nvidia results next week. Obviously, the whole market really looks ahead to that, but shares going down into Nvidia results is a little bit different than what we usually see.
Right. Carmen, you made a really good point, and I'm going to bring up a chart to illustrate it. Yesterday, Nvidia jumped almost 6%, which was its biggest jump since early April. So a drop off of 3% or more in the session, taken into account with the news flow, give that context. Generally speaking, though, what is the sentiment of the investors that we're speaking to right now? Are they still like mega bullish on this long-term trend that they think will just carry on and keep going?
Yeah, that's a really great question. I think people are very split, but I hear a lot of people that are still very bullish on the long-term trend and even say that some selling now or a little shakeout in the market would be pretty healthy. I mean, valuations are very stretched. We're 3 years into a bull run. These are some of the biggest stocks in the overall market, so it makes sense that they drag down the entire index. So a little bit of a shakeout here wouldn't be a huge concern. Obviously, this is really overlaid, though, with the fact that people are really talking about an AI bubble, and so I think any selling in any of these stocks, even at the end of the year when people are sort of looking to lock in performance, lock in gains, it sparks more conversation around this entire debate about an AI bubble.